Hello, and it's the car repair once again. So if you have an Escalade, a Cadillac Escalade with this type of shifter, and you cannot move it anymore, and you have done your diagnosis and it's talking about the shift interlock, this is what it looks like. And this is the part number. It goes down there, and that's the plug. So this one, when you step on the brake, it's supposed to go down so that you can move the gear lever. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this is very important, and let's see you next time.